And welcome back. Well, this is at the Canebrake community here in Hattiesburg. This was earlier this morning. Got some people out enjoying the water. It was a great day to enjoy the water. It was a hot day, and unfortunately, it has remained hot throughout the weekend on into today as well. We just had a few clouds this afternoon. That is really about it. You can see this kind of clockwise circulation. That's that high pressure we've been talking about. Yeah, it still really hasn't nudged even from last week, and it's going to stay here for a little while longer, but there is some good news. We do have some relief on your 7-day planner, so wait until the end of the forecast and we'll talk about that. Today though, 95 degrees, 12 degrees above average. Not too far off. Once again, a record, 98 set back in 1911. Thankfully, we weren't up that hot because we just don't need to be breaking any records right now. Radar satellite, not really showing anything besides a few of those clouds trying to linger on. That's really about it. Just no rainfall. We're not going to expect any rainfall, at least, let's say, decent rainfall for the time being. We do have those shots of some afternoon showers developing just because it is so hot outside. Don't expect too much, though. Forecast lows for tonight. Temperatures in the upper 60s. Winds out of the west, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Clear skies. And then as we go into tomorrow, another hot day with temperatures in the mid-90s. Some upper 90s are not out of the question. Winds kind of shifting out of the east, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Mostly sunny and just hot. And unfortunately, heat index values, they just don't look great, between 100 to 105 degrees across our viewing area, so just get ready for that. Now, we've been talking about it last week, and we're going to kind of reinforce it this week. We saw, or we have seen, I should say, plenty of snow. If you see any photos of the snow up in the Pacific Northwest, it is, well, it's gorgeous. I love snow. I kind of wish I was up there, but not getting the 4 feet that some locations are. But we've seen this amplified ridge downstream from it and the high pressure just sitting over us. So even later this week, we're still going to remain well above average. You can kind of see that high pressure, or that ridge, I want to say, just kind of a hill right here. Now, what we're watching is this right here. See where we go from plenty of moisture to a lot of, well, I should say, just dry air. This is a cold front. This is our friend, and this is on its way here. It's going to take us time in doing so, and I'll show you where it's at here, and you'll see just how cool it is behind it. There's a high pressure up to our northeast. That's why temperatures are still relatively warm. We zoom on out. There's the cold front. Check it out behind it. These greens, that's a lovely color to see. Some places saw a 20-degree temperature drop within a couple of hours. Now, it's not going to be that strong when it gets here, but it still could be fairly strong in the sense that it's going to drop our temperatures potentially below average, which we just need right now because, again, we have just been very, very hot. We've had a few fires popping up across the area. We're still under a dry drought conditions. That's still only a 1 out of 5. But because we've gone such a long time without seeing a good amount of rain, yeah, we really need this cool weather to get here. So your forecast brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. Check it out throughout the rest of your work week. Temperatures well above average. And I'm going to step on out here. I'm purposely holding that up. 87 and 86 for Sunday and Monday. A cold front arrives, pushes on through. Chance for thunderstorms on Monday. And there are some indications that Tuesday temperatures will only get into the upper 70s. Still about a week away, but right now it looks like cold front is going to bring fall-like temperatures across our viewing area.